As a stylist beginner, this video is for you. If you want to learn or you're finding it difficult to roll your hair so that your hair will be looking gagalele, this video is for you. Just watch the end. I'll be teaching you step by step on how to follow and roll your hair very well. If this is your first time of stopping by, kindly follow, like, and tell me what you think about this video. For all my returning subscribers, my returning viewers, I do appreciate you. For anywhere you're watching me from, I do appreciate you. The first of all you need to do is carry your water on your jerrycan. As you can see how after spraying it, I now use my comb and comb everything. Make sure the thing is in a straight form and you can draw it. Make sure the rollers is very tight and you can pin it and hold it on the wig you are rolling. This is the second step. Now carry the comb, carry the water, spread it. Make sure you spread it well, and when you are spreading water, make sure everywhere is wet. Don't manage water. You can put anything you want after the roller. You can put your conditioner, you can put your